Top 5 Sleep Gadgets to Beat Insomnia. Have you ever tried to get some sleep only to realize that you're wide awake? Or perhaps you've been tossing and turning for hours? Don't worry, there are solutions for you. In this video you will discover 5 sleep gadgets to help calm your mind and fall asleep in less than 15 minutes. Top 5 Sleep Gadgets to Beat Insomnia. Sleeping Headphones Bluetooth Eye Mask. A simple, yet effective solution to help you get more sleep at night. The Sleeping Headphones Bluetooth Eye Mask is a sleeping mask with built-in headphones that provide wireless music for you to relax. Blocking light to make your sleep better, allows you to listen to music without wearing additional headphones, which makes you fall asleep faster. When it comes to sleep aids, gadgets are a great way to help you fall asleep. White Noise Sound Machine. White noise machines can improve your sleep by helping your brain shut off, and by blocking out distracting sounds. This type of machine uses a white noise that will help you fall asleep faster, and can also help reduce the likelihood of you waking up during the night. The white noise sound machine gives you the freedom to sleep when and where you want to. Whether you're in a dorm, at home, in a hotel, or in a noisy environment, you'll be able to get some great shut-eye thanks to this versatile travel speaker. This compact and lightweight speaker is easy to take anywhere. Morphe Sleep Aid Device. The Morphe Sleep Aid device is a portable, wireless, interactive sleep therapy system designed to help you fall asleep faster, and stay asleep longer. The sleep therapy sessions take just 8 or 20 minutes and involve guided meditation that helps to calm you down and relax, and then gently lull you to sleep. Dodo Sleep Aid Device. If you want to learn how to sleep naturally without medication or sleeping aids, then Dodo may be right for you. Dodo is a metronome with a light system that teaches you how to fall asleep naturally, without taking any medicine. It will help you to get into a sound sleep by teaching you about your breathing patterns and helping to control the quality of your sleep. The bright light helps to improve your sleep patterns. Bose Sleep Buds 2. The Bose Sleep Buds 2 are designed to help you fall asleep faster, sleep better, and enjoy a peaceful, restful sleep. Bose designed this product to provide an exceptional listening experience that will help you drift off into sleep mode quicker than ever before. With up to 5 hours of listening time, the Sleep Buds 2 work just like Bose headphones, but they deliver relaxing and noise-masking sounds to help you fall asleep and stay asleep all night. In the current day and age, sleep is no longer a luxury. In fact, it's an absolute necessity. We hope this list helps you find the right sleep gadget for you. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.